Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So today's video is all about Mi Band 8. Disclaimer, this is not based on leaks or rumors, this is simply our take on what Mi Band 8 might bring to the table. You can comment your thoughts on what you think might come to Mi Band 8. It will be fun. So let's start with the display. Every subsequent generation has seen some amount of increase in size, like from 1.1 to 1.56 to the latest Mi Band 7 non-Pro variant with 1.62 inches. Well, with Mi Band 8, we don't think it will increase anymore. Even if it does, it won't be drastic, because it will no longer be a band but rather a smartwatch. And I'm not talking about the elongated design watches here. If you want something that looks like a smartwatch, you may as well buy a smartwatch. There are plenty of those available at different price points. As for the quality of display, Xiaomi never disappoints. The display has been better in the past and it is now. The AMOLED displays are just too good. The only gripe is that it gets scratched. A Gorilla Glass protection would be nice. The tried and tested look of prior generations is what we are looking for in the Mi Band 8. However, I wouldn't mind a button on the side, just in case if we need it. Other than that, what else? Battery, yes. One of the highlights of Mi Band 8 is its long battery life, and we anticipate that this will continue to be the case in the future. Wireless charging though would be a lovely bonus, but I don't think it will happen to this band. Now let's talk about sensors. Mi Band already comes with all the basic sensors, but how about a new sensor? A skin temperature sensor. A number of companies have implemented this recently. Even Xiaomi has a premium smartwatch named Xiaomi Watch S1 Pro that comes with this feature. And I know it won't make the cut, but still if Xiaomi would somehow bring it, that would be nice. What else would be nice, you know? Onboard GPS. Yes, the 7 Pro has it, but it costs so much. How about on the vanilla Mi Band 8? This would really be a nice addition. Adding these two to the mix would certainly make Mi Band 8 a worthy upgrade. Also, NFC support for global market would be nice. As for launch, based on trend, it seems March of next year is a likely release date, so still a long time to go. With that said, comment your thoughts on what new features you want Mi Band 8 to bring. Thanks for hanging out till the very end. Hope you enjoyed it and catch you in the next one.